Welcome back to Fabricating Awesome Stuff. One of the most exciting times when building an airplane is when you choose and apply the paint, because that makes such a huge difference in the appearance of the aircraft. I decided to paint my airplane piece by piece prior to assembly. That way when the airplane is completed, the paint is done and I don't have to worry about any of that in the future. In today's episode, I want to show you the process I use to paint the fuselage and the wings. Let me know what you think in the comments. Also, remember to like and subscribe to my channel because you're not going to want to miss any of this exciting adventure. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and thanks for watching.